Hello students, today we are going to discuss the previous year GATE question. Subject Environmental Engineering, topic previous year GATE question. Hello students, today we are going to discuss the previous year GATE question. First question is given as the present population of a community is 28,000 with an average water consumption of 4200 meter cube per day. Now the existing water treatment plant has a design capacity of 6000 meter cube per day. It means that it is a design capacity of the existing water treatment plant. Now it is expected that the population will increase to 44,000 during the next 20 years. It means that in the next 20 years population is increased up to 44,000. Now the number of years from now when the plant will reach its design capacity, assuming an arithmetic rate of population growth, will be okay. Now we need to compute the number of years from now when the plant will reach its design capacity. So first we will write the given quantities here. The given quantities will be given as, first one is the initial population, that is P naught, which will be equals to 28,000. Now the population after 20 years is given as 44,000. So that will be the population after 20 years. Now we need to determine the increase in population per decade, that is X bar. Okay. Now according to the arithmetic increase method, we know the formula of Pn equals to P naught plus Nx bar. Here the Pn is given as 20. Okay, P20 value is given as 44,000 and the P naught is given as 28,000, and we need to determine the value of X bar, and the N is given as 2. Why 2? Because the difference in year is 20 year. So for the computation of number of decade, we generally divide the number of years by the 10. That will be the number of decade. Okay. Now from this formula we just put the values, that is 44,000 equals to 28,000 plus 2x bar. Now from this equation we will determine the value of x bar, which will be equals to 8,000. Okay, now that will be the value of population increase per decade. Now another thing given in the question is, for the water consumption of 4200 meter cube per day, the population will be equals to 28,000. Now we want to determine the population for the water consumption of 6000 meter cube per day. For 6000 meter cube per day consumption, what will be the population? Okay. Now we just take the values from here, that will be equals to 28,000 into 6000 divided by 4200. So the population comes out to be equals to 40,000 persons. It means that for 6000 meter cube per day consumption of water, the population comes out to be 40,000. Now we need to determine the number of years for which the plant will reach its design capacity. Okay. Now we have initial population, which is already given in the question, which will be equals to 28,000. Now the population when the plant will reach its water consumption of 6000 meter cube per day, its population is given as 40,000. That will be the new population after n decade, that is 40,000. Now we again use the formula, that is Pn equals to P naught plus Nx bar. Now we have the value of Pn, which will be equals to 40,000. We have the value of P naught, which will be equals to 28,000. We had already determined the value of X bar as 8,000, and we need to determine from here the value of N. From this equation we will get the value of N equals to 1.5 decade. Okay. Now if we want to convert this decade into year, then it will be equals to 15 years. Now for the water consumption of 6000 meter cube per day, the number of year will be 15 years. It means that the number of year which will be coming in this question is equals to 15 year. That will be the solution of this question. Now we can move to the next question, that is the population of a city at previous consecutive census year was 4 lakh, 5 lakh 58,500, 7,76,000 and 10,98,500. Now the anticipated population at the next census to the nearest 5,000 will be. Now in the question, method is not given or precise method is not written in the question. And we know that if the method is not given in the question, then we have to use the incremental increase method. So we just make a table here in which the first one is the year, second one is the population which is given in the question. Now the next will be the increase in population. Okay, increase in population per decade. After increase in population per decade, we need to determine the incremental increase. Okay, now the year is given as equals to first year, second year, third year and fourth year. Now the first year population is given as 4 lakhs, so we just write here 4 into 10 to the power 5. Okay, now the next year population is given as 5,58,500. Okay, now the next year population is given as 7,76,000. Clear? And the last population which is given in the question is 10,98,500. Now we need to find the increase in population per decade, for which we need to subtract the value from this to this, now from this to this and from this to this. Now when you subtract the value, that is 5,58,500 and 4 lakh, it will be coming out as 1,58,500. that will be the increase in population in first decade. Okay, now similarly we can compute the increase in population after second decade. It will be equals to 217,500. Similarly for the last decade, it will be equals to 322,500. now we need to find the incremental increase. For incremental increase, we need to subtract the 1,58,500 from the 2,17,500. so it will be equals to 59,000. And similarly, when you subtract this value from this, you will get the answer as 10,05,000. Okay, clear? Now we need to find the x bar and y bar. For x bar calculation, we need to add all this value and divide it by 3, because the number of decade is 3. Okay, now if you add all this value and you divide all this value, then the x bar will be coming as 2,32,833.33. Similarly, if you add all this value and divide it by 2, you will get the value as 82,000. that will be the value of y bar. Now you have the value of x bar and y bar. Now you want to compute the population of 5th year. Now if you want to compute the population of 5th year, what will be the value of n? It will be equals to 1 year. Okay, now the value of n here is the 1 year. Now we just put the values here. Okay, that is P5 is given as P0 plus nx bar into n plus 1 by 2 into y bar. Okay, now that will be the formula which is given here. Now what is the value of n? The value of n is 1. So we just write here as the last population which is given in the question, that is 10,98,500 plus value of n is 1 and value of x bar is calculated as 2,32,833.33 plus n into n plus 1 by 2. It means that 1 into 1 plus 1 by 2 into y bar, which will be equals to 82,000. Now if you solve this equation, you will have the value of P5, which will be equals to 1413333.33. now the anticipated population will be rounded off to the next census or nearest to the 5,000. so it will be equals to nearly equals to 141,500. that will be the anticipated population. Okay, that is the complete solution of this question. Clear to you? Okay, we had solved all the questions of previous year GATE. Thank you very much, students.